a numbers game. Introducing Nate Silver. Nate Silver, the renowned statistician, gained prominence by accurately predicting election outcomes. His unique approach to data analysis and his ability to interpret complex statistical models have made him a household name in the world of political forecasting. His book On the Edge delves into the fascinating world of risk-takers. Silver explores poker players, chess masters, and even weather forecasters. These individuals operate in high-stakes environments where every decision can lead to significant consequences. He uncovers the strategies they use to navigate uncertainty. By examining their methods, Silver provides a deeper understanding of how to manage risk and make better decisions. Silver's insights go beyond mere gambling. They offer valuable lessons for anyone facing decisions with unknown outcomes. Whether you're in business, sports, or everyday life, principles can help you make more informed choices. His analytical approach reveals the power of understanding probability. By breaking down complex problems into manageable parts, Silver shows how to approach uncertainty with confidence. It's not about eliminating risk entirely. Risk is an inherent part of life and decision-making. It's about making informed choices in the face of it. By understanding the odds and weighing the potential outcomes, you can navigate uncertainty more effectively. This is the essence of On the Edge. Silver's book is a guide to embracing uncertainty and using it to your advantage. It's about embracing the thrill and challenge of the unknown. By learning from the best risk-takers, you can apply their strategies to your own life and make better decisions in the face of uncertainty. Expected value is a crucial concept in risk assessment. Imagine flipping a coin. It's a simple act, yet it holds profound implications in the world of probability and decision-making. Heads, you win $100. Tails, you lose $50. This scenario might seem straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. The expected value isn't simply the average of winning or losing. It's a mathematical way to determine the most likely outcome over time. It factors in the probability of each outcome. By understanding these probabilities, we can make more informed decisions. In this case, there's a 50% chance of winning $100 and a 50% chance of losing $50. This balance of probabilities is key to calculating expected value. The expected value is calculated as 0.5 times $100 plus 0.5 times negative $50 equals $25. This calculation shows the average gain per flip. This means that over many coin flips, you can expect to make an average of $25 per flip. It's not about the outcome of a single flip, but the average over many flips. Understanding expected value helps us make rational choices. It provides a framework for evaluating risks and rewards in various scenarios. It allows us to weigh potential gains against potential losses. By doing so, we can make decisions that are more likely to lead to favorable outcomes in the long run. Whether in gambling, investing, or everyday decisions, expected value is a powerful tool. It helps us navigate uncertainty and make choices that align with our goals and risk tolerance. By mastering the concept of expected value, we can turn seemingly random events into calculated opportunities. This knowledge empowers us to make better decisions and achieve more consistent results. Probability plays a crucial role in various fields, influencing decisions and strategies across different domains. Weather forecasters use complex models to predict rain, storms, and other weather events. These models are built on historical data and sophisticated algorithms. Financial analysts assess market trends to make investment decisions. They analyze past performance, economic indicators, and market sentiment to forecast future movements. In both cases, probability guides decision-making, helping professionals navigate uncertainty and make educated guesses. It helps professionals make informed judgments based on available data, reducing risks and optimizing outcomes. Of course, Probability isn't about predicting the future with certainty. It's about managing uncertainty and making the best possible decisions with the information at hand. It's about understanding the likelihood of different outcomes and preparing for various scenarios. By considering probabilities, we can make more strategic choices, whether in business, sports, or personal life. This applies to everyday decisions as well. From choosing what groceries to buy to planning a family trip, probability helps us weigh our options. Choosing a route with less traffic, for example, involves assessing the probability of delays and selecting the most efficient path. Silver uses a compelling analogy to illustrate different approaches to risk. Imagine two individuals. One chooses to navigate a treacherous river, high risk, high reward, while the other opts for a more predictable life in the village, low risk, low reward. The river represents pursuing ambitious goals with inherent uncertainty. The village symbolizes a safer, more conventional path. There's no right or wrong choice. It depends on individual risk tolerance and aspirations. The key is to be conscious of the path we choose and its implications. Mastering risk habits for the edge. Silver emphasizes that managing risk effectively involves cultivating specific habits. One crucial habit is meticulous preparation. This applies to athletes training for competition, entrepreneurs developing business plans, or even individuals planning a trip. Another vital habit is seeking diverse perspectives. Hearing different viewpoints helps challenge our assumptions and uncover potential blind spots. Finally, adaptability is essential. The ability to adjust plans based on new information is crucial in navigating uncertainty. Strategic skepticism, questioning the obvious. In a world bombarded with information, strategic skepticism is paramount. It's about questioning assumptions, even those seemingly obvious. Silver highlights the importance of considering alternative explanations and not blindly accepting conventional wisdom. This critical thinking skill is crucial in various domains. Investors must scrutinize market trends. Scientists should question experimental results. By embracing strategic skepticism, we make more informed decisions and avoid common pitfalls. The ability to maintain focus amidst chaos is another key takeaway. High-stakes environments can be overwhelming. Silver emphasizes the importance of staying calm, prioritizing key information, and avoiding distractions. This principle applies to athletes performing under pressure, surgeons operating in critical situations, or even individuals navigating personal crises. The ability to maintain focus is essential for making sound judgments and taking decisive action. Mastering the art of risk-taking is a lifelong pursuit. It's about finding a balance between caution and boldness. It's about understanding our own risk tolerance, assessing potential rewards, and making informed decisions. Silver encourages readers to embrace calculated risks. These are risks taken after careful consideration and planning, not impulsive gambles. By stepping outside our comfort zones and taking calculated risks, we open ourselves to new opportunities and personal growth. While Silver emphasizes data and analysis, he also acknowledges the human element in risk-taking. Emotions, intuition, and personal values all play a role in our decisions. The key is to find a balance between analytical thinking and emotional intelligence. This means considering both the logical and intuitive aspects of decision-making. Recognizing our own biases and limitations is crucial for making sound choices in uncertain situations. In today's rapidly changing world, the ability to navigate risk is more important than ever. From technological advancements to geopolitical uncertainties, we face constant change and complexity. Silver's insights provide a framework for making sense of this uncertainty. By understanding probability, cultivating strategic skepticism, and embracing calculated risks, we can navigate the complexities of the modern world with greater confidence and resilience.